Are you trying to choose between Mintlify and Docusaurus? You're not alone. Many people wonder which tool is better for documentation. In this video, we'll compare Mintlify and Docusaurus. Both help you create and manage documentation, but they have different features and strengths. Mintlify is designed for simplicity. It offers a clean interface that makes it easy to write and organize your documents. You can customize your pages easily, and it has built-in templates to save you time. Docusaurus, on the other hand, is more focused on developer documentation. It's built by Facebook and allows for more complex setups. You can create a website with multiple versions of your docs, which is great for projects that change often. Now, let's look at the key differences. Mintlify is user friendly and perfect for teams looking for quick setup. Docusaurus is powerful and flexible, better for tech savvy users who need advanced features. When it comes to features, Mintlify shines with its intuitive design and easy integrations. Docusaurus offers a lot of customizability and supports Markdown, which many developers prefer. In terms of pricing, Mintlify typically has a free tier, making it accessible for small teams. Docusaurus is open source, which means you can use it for free, but hosting might cost you depending on your needs. So, who should choose what? If you want something straightforward and fast, go for Mintlify. If you need a robust tool for complex projects, Docusaurus is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos.